To pair your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active with the app, first you need to download an app called MI Fitness on your smartphone. You can find it on a Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your smartphone device, and then open it. Next step is to power on your watch. You can do it by connecting the charging cable to the charger and then just plug it on the bottom. I've shown you that in detail in my previous video. So now when we have our device on, we need to choose a language that we want to use, and I'm gonna go with English. Then this will show up. You can use the scanner to scan this QR code, or try to click on Add Device while your Bluetooth is active, and then you will see your Xiaomi Smart Band in the list. Click on it, see the code, confirm it on both of the devices, and then select Done. And now our band is connected with the app.